With a sweet flavor and a super moist texture, zucchini bread is a welcome snack any time of the day. Although it naturally contains some vegetables, we like to boost ours even further with essential nutrients like extra protein, healthy fats, and fiber to get the most out of every delicious slice. First, we'll prep a loaf pan by spraying the sides with cooking oil spray, and then lining it with a parchment sling to ensure the bread comes out neatly. Now we'll mix our dry ingredients by adding some spelt flour to a mixing bowl, along with some pure hemp protein powder, which adds a big protein boost that you won't even taste. We'll add some flaxseed powder, which is packed with fiber, as well as some sea salt, baking powder, baking soda, and cinnamon. And we'll mix this up to combine. For our wet ingredients, we'll add some olive oil to a separate bowl, as well as some non-dairy yogurt, some maple syrup, and some water. And we'll whisk this together until smooth. We'll grate some fresh zucchini and mix it into the wet ingredients as well. Now we can add our dry ingredients to our wet and gently mix to combine, using as few strokes as possible so as not to overmix the batter. Last, we'll add some hemp seeds for even more protein, some walnuts for more omega-3s, and some dried currants for sweetness. And fold these textural ingredients into the batter. We'll transfer this to our prepared loaf pan and smooth out the top as needed. And we'll bake this at 325 degrees for about 60 to 70 minutes. Once the bread is baked, we'll let it cool on a rack for 15 minutes before removing it from the pan and letting it cool completely. Get the full recipe, cooking tips, and so much more at luminberry.com. And if you love this video, please give us a like and hit subscribe to get all the latest on cooking with superfoods.